There's an invisible thread that ties man to the mountains. An ancient call, carved in stone and whispered by the wind. And when you follow it, you realize it's not the summit calling you. It's your soul needing to get lost in order to be found. In the Aosta Valley, the Alps don't speak. They listen. And in the silence, they test you. They ask who you are and who you're willing to become. Every step toward the Rosa Peaks is a pact. With fatigue, with reverence, with the untamed beauty that refuses to be conquered. There are moments when time stands still, where all sound fades and the only voice is the mountains. And that's when you understand you're not conquering anything. You're simply asking permission to belong. This is the story of a journey to the peaks, a journey inward, into the heart of Monte Rosa, where the air is thinner and life feels more real.